everyone, my name is Ronit Ranjan of class 6 and today I am going to share my experience about STEPapp app. This is the logo of STEPapp app. Here you will get concepts of your book. So I have biology, maths, chemistry, physics. So I will choose biology. Fiber to fabric. So you have to start from this introduction.
Cloth, a basic need. The basic necessities for human beings are air.
So after you completed this video, you will get one
At the beginning
arrow.
of civilization, people
If
used
you
bark,
click that, you will
leaves
go
and
to
animal
next
furs
video.
as unstitched to stitched clothes.
Then
In earlier times,
there will be one
different
option.
clothing materials.
Play now.
Clothes are made.
So I am playing now. Clothes protect our body against the external environment. True. At the beginning of civilization, people used bark, leaves, and animal fur as a cloth. True. In earlier time, people draped fabric to cover themselves. True. Some jackets are made up of leather and sweater is made up of wool. True. So I got 100 coins with no mistakes. So like this you can play everything. I want to share one more thing in the STEPapp app which I like the most. It is the improve your memory. In this you will given a 4 options: colors, numbers, shape or animals. So I will go with animals. In which there will be 2 pictures same and you have to match them like this.
Donkey, bee, duck, fox, arrow, dolphin, arrow,
like this you have to match.
dolphin, fox, duck.
Like this you will get. So that was which I like the most, and hope you like this STEPapp app and this video. Thank you.